So in the introduction of the anal canal, okay, this is the terminal portion of the hindlet developing partly from endoderm and partly from ectoderm. So its upper part will be sensitive, lower part will be. So lower part will be sensitive to pain, upper part will not be so sensitive. The total length of the anal canal is 38 millimeters or 3.8 centimeters. That's the total length of the anal canal. Okay? Extent of the anal canal, we have already discussed that rectum. Suppose this is the coccyx, rectum ends 1 to 2 centimeters in front of and below the coccyx. So 1 to 2 centimeters, okay, in front and below the coccyx, and then it just runs for 3.8 centimeters. That's the anal canal. In front of the anal canal is the perineal body. Perineal body. Posterior is anococcygeal ligament. Posterior is anococcygeal ligament. Okay? So now let us start discussing the three parts of the anal canal. Be very attentive on this. This is going to be helpful for you in surgery. Very, very important. You need to know the anatomy of the anal canal. So the anal canal, the 38 millimeter anal canal is divided into upper 1/3, middle 1/3 and lower 1/3. Upper 1/3, middle 1/3 and lower 1/3. Okay? So now let us check out what is the upper 1/3 called as. The upper 1/3, 15 millimeters, is called as the mucus part. Mucus part. Okay? Why it is called as the mucus part? We see vertical mucosal folds in this region, which are called as anal folds. What are they called as? Anal folds. These anal folds are united with each other by anal valves. So preferably just to show the fold, I have drawn two lines. You should ideally draw only one line. Okay? Anal folds. Anal folds. Anal valves. Okay? In each valve there is anal sinus, and in opening into each sinus is an anal gland. So vertical fold called as anal columns. Horizontal fold uniting the vertical folds called as anal folds, anal valves. Above the anal valve is anal sinus, and inside there is anal gland. So four things which we see in the mucus part: anal folds, anal valves, anal sinus, anal glands. You are with me on this? Then the lower part, the second portion is called as pectinate part. So therefore this line where the anal valves unite is called as pectinate line. What is this line called as? Pectinate line. It is the watershed line. It is a watershed line of the anal canal. Above this development is from endoderm. Below this development is from ectoderm. Above this lesions are painless. Below this lesions are painful. Okay? Above this, drainage is into portal system. Below this, drainage is into systemic veins. Above this, drainage is into internal iliac lymph nodes. Below this, the drainage is into superficial inguinal lymph nodes. Oh, superficial inguinal lymph nodes. यहाँ पे. That means if the lymph node patient comes to you with inflammation of the superficial inguinal lymph nodes, you need to examine the anal canal also. So that is perineal region, no? So from there, the lymphatics come up like this to the superficial inguinal. So pectinate line, where the lower walls of anal walls unite, is a watershed line of the anal canal. Above this, development from. Below this, development from. Above this, it is pain. Below this, it is pain. Above this, the venous drainage is into. Below this, the venous drainage is into systemic veins. Above this, the lymphatic drainage is into. Below this, the lymphatic drainage is into superficial inguinal lymph nodes. Okay. Now, the next portion is called as the pecten part. Pectinate pecten part. What is there in the pecten part? In the pecten part, we actually see veins. This part appears in the mucous membrane of this part. In the mucous membrane of this part, we see venous plexus. We see the venous plexus. Submucous venous plexus prominently seen. It is there in this region also, but it is seen prominent here. Okay. So these veins actually unite at 3 o'clock position, 7 o'clock position and 11 o'clock position to form the rectal or anal veins. At what position? In the lithotomy position, if you see 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Normally not visible, not palpable. These three veins. Normally not visible, not palpable. When will they become visible and palpable? Piles. Why it will be? What is piles? Other name for piles, hemorrhoid. Other name, third name, anal varicosity. What are varicose veins? Lower limb. There is strain on the veins, vein become dilated. By standing, there is strain. By sitting on the toilet pot for a long time, non-fibrous diet, person strains. Probably, see, these are some things which may appear funny. आप बोल रहे सर इधर क्यों बोल रहे? But as a doctor you should know. आप कहीं पे भी आजकल ऐसे होते हैं ना बाथरूम टॉयलेट्स ऊपर से खुले मॉल्स में इधर कहीं पे भी आप गए और बाजू के टॉयलेट में somebody is passing through और ऐसा आवाज आ रहा है. He is your next patient or partner because he is training to pass through. मेरे को ऐसा मैं रुकता हूँ बाहर वो आने तक और फिर उसको एक प्रवचन देता हूँ. भाई तू तेरा करके कुछ टूल पास कर रहा है. You are going to end up with piles. Why don't you have fibrous diet? Just simple thing. Whenever you eat 3 meals, suppose breakfast, lunch, dinner, खाना खाने से पहले आधा घंटा ककड़ी गाजर ये वो भरो पेट में और खाना खाने के बाद आप करना है तो भी every diet is गाजर depending on what is the level and how long is the constipation. बहुत ज़्यादा है तो you have to increase this proportion more. Otherwise, normally not visible. Same like lower lip. Are the veins visible? No. Then when varicose veins they become visible. Anal varicosity. So patient complaining of something coming out of the anal canal, going back again, able to push it inside. is mostly piles. Lowermost part. Okay, now we are talking about the lower one third. Lower one third is actually, so this line is called as Hilton's line. So one was pectinate line, then Hilton's line. Below the Hilton's line is the third part. Third part is actually skin. It has hair follicles. It has sweat glands. It has hair. So that means if the hygiene is not maintained, these hair follicles can get infected. This बाजू में क्या है इधर पूरा इश्यूएनल फोसा है. फैट मतलब पूरा खुला मैदान for all the bacteria. They have food to eat and no lymphocytes because no blood vessels in this area. No मतलब less blood vessels. Okay, so its third part is actually cutaneous part. So mucus part, pectin part, and third part is cutaneous part, where there is actual skin, hair follicles. So three diseases I describe it in applied anatomy, but because we are, so these anal walls are there, so they are like the speed breaker to the stool. So if hard stool is passed, it will break the mucosa, and that is called as fissure. Fissure. A person will bleed. Hard stool, anal wall like cut करके वो नीचे आए. If fissure happens here, painless bleeding. Fissure happens here, painful bleeding. Very painful. Fissure is very painful. But still, if God asks you, you are supposed to suffer from fights, fissure or fissure. क्या choose करेंगे? Fissure. Because वो heal हो जाता है. You have to just tell a person to take 6 bath. What is 6 bath? गरम पानी में. गरम मतलब एकदम गरम नहीं, जिसमें आप हाथ डाल सकते हो. ऐसा गरम. उसमें बैठेंगे. Anal sphincter gets relaxed. Okay. Give him stool softness. Give him antibiotic. Patient becomes okay. But if the patient doesn't go to the doctor, because अभी दुखता है पण सांगता येत नाही. You cannot tell also, and he continues living like this. His fissure will increase and get converted into fissure. Very important. ब्लीडिंग अगर पर एनल हो रहा है, जोरदार पेन हो रहा है स्टूल पर, सीधा जानेगा सर्जन के पास, बनेगा ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है. Because what happens is because of the fissure, the anal sphincter is going to spasm. Now anal sphincter is going to pass spasm, and now next time he goes to pass stool, further damage. Okay, so the fissure immediately, the lignocaine gel has to be put so that the sphincter relax. So with that we start talking about the anal sphincters. There is internal anal sphincter. This is internal anal sphincter which ends at the Hilton's line. Internal anal sphincter, which is not our friend because it is involuntary. Involuntary. वो सोचता नहीं कि हम लोग पब्लिक में हैं, क्लासरूम में बैठे हैं, रिसेप्शन हॉल में हैं, किधर स्टूल आया है, वो ओपन हो जाता है. Not our friend. Internal anal sphincter ends at the Hilton's line. Then this is derived from the circular muscle. This is derived from the circular muscle of the large intestine, from the intestine. Then in between here is the longitudinal muscle and puborectalis. Yeah, puborectalis sling. I have spoken about the puborectalis sling before also, right? This is the one which maintains the angle between the rectum and anal canal. So वो ऐसे आगे से खींचता रहता है. So before passing stool, it will relax. It will relax. Then this will become little straight. This relaxation happens only when a person sits in squatting position. मतलब Indian toilet. Why these diseases are there more in the Western countries? रोज खाते हो नॉनवेज मालूम है? You go to the supermarket, ऐसा beef and everything is there. So fiber is less when they sit on the commodes. Now आपको दिखा रहे इधर भी हम लोग commodes. So what is the good method? Buy small size tool, this height. So when you sit on the commode, put it below your legs. Okay, so your legs get slightly elevated. Okay, so then this puborectalis sling relaxes and it's easy to pass stool. With this puborectalis sling contracted and a person passing stool, means every day the stool is being passed without the puborectalis sling getting relaxed. Every day is hitting the pubosa. It is above the pectinate line, so painless. Person will not understand and one day end up getting a rectal cancer. Rectal cancer very common in Western countries because of these two factors. One, access to non-vegetarian food and less fibrous diet, and two, use of commode. आपको अगर ऐसा लग रहा है यार सर तो फेंक रहे हैं, go to Google and type how to poop and their advantages of passing stool in squatting position. And if I am wrong, tell me. Okay, even the Google search will agree to this, that squatting position. So India, people suffer less from this. Of course, with age, what happens is after a person crosses 40, 45, it's very difficult for that person to sit and get up. So such elderly person in your house, tell them to put a small stool below the legs. That will help too. That will prevent rectal cancer. Simple thing. Okay. Now we talk about, okay, so this is the internal sphincter ending at the Hilton spine, then there is the longitudinal muscle and the puborectalis sphincter. And then there is external sphincter, which previously we used to draw in three parts. Your books, they draw single part. Okay, so there is deep part, there is superficial part, and then there is subcutaneous part. Currently, the books show all of them together. Okay, subcutaneous part, the superficial part, and deep part of the external anal sphincter, a separate muscle altogether, not a part of the longitudinal or circular cord. Circular cord comes down as internal anal sphincter. Longitudinal lies between the external and internal with the puborectalis sphincter. Why हमको ऐसा लगता है circular form से internal, longitudinal form से? No, not possible, because circular longitudinal are under sympathetic system, parasympathetic system, autonomic nervous system. So therefore there is a separate muscle. Even in the bladder, sphincter vesicae is under autonomic nervous system, and sphincter urethrae, separate muscle, is under the regular nervous system, central nervous system, because that is the one which has voluntary control. So involuntary this, voluntary this. This has so much control that this actually contracts and closes the sphincter even if the internal is released. Person can still hold on till he reaches the toilet, or till the person in the toilet comes out after he finishes his WhatsApp checking and all other nonsense they do there. Okay. Spaces around the anal canal, this space is the perianal space, then this is ischiorectal fossa or ischioanal fossa. Now here is the submucous venous plexus. What is this plexus called as? Submucous venous plexus, prominently seen in the pecten area. We have seen this second part. This part we don't see it so clearly because of the pupillal folds. Then here is external venous plexus. So this is internal venous plexus. This is external venous plexus. I don't need to talk about blood supply because already you know above the pectinate line the blood supply is by superior rectal artery, continuation of inferior mesenteric artery. Below the pectinate line there is middle rectal artery, branch of anterior division of internal iliac, and inferior rectal artery, branch of internal pudendal. Above the pectinate line the blood supply is from venous drainage is into superior rectal vein, which continues as inferior mesenteric vein, which drains into splenic vein, which unites with superior mesenteric vein to form portal vein. Below the pectinate line, it is from inferior rectal vein, which drains into the internal pudendal vein, which drains into internal iliac vein, anterior division, which drains into internal iliac vein, which drains into common iliac veins, which forms the inferior vena cava. So a person may come to you with anal hemorrhoids and then आप उसके पीछे सर ने बोला नॉलेज का है ना नॉलेज गाजर पाट पीट मूली कुछ नहीं खाता ना खाता सर ने बोला ठीक है तो he may be drinking alcohol which has caused liver cirrhosis, which has caused portal hypertension, and now he has come to you with piles. Okay, तो ये भी आपको याद रखना है. अरे हाँ सर ने बोले कि ऐसा भी है. Two places, one is esophageal varices and anal varices. Acute medicine. Acute medicine not so clearly seen in Indians. आपका क्या अपना ब्रिटिश कलर होता है यार हम लोग गोरे काले तो क्या मानते थे लेकिन कैपिट मेडिसिन नहीं दिखता है ये भी नहीं दिखेगा इसोफेजियल वायरसेस एसोफेजियल वायरसेस भी नहीं दिखेगा बिकॉज वो कौन अभी देखेगा जहाँ पर एनल वायरसेस द पर्सन विल से कि समथिंग इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द एनल ओके lymphatic drainage above the pectinate line goes into internal iliac lymph nodes, below the pectinate line goes into superficial inguinal lymph nodes. Okay. Perianal space, submucous space where the venous plexus is, and ischianal space are the three spaces around the anal canal. Support of the anal canal. Main is the perineal body. Perineal body, which is there in the front of the anal canal. Okay. Pelvic diaphragm. These all support the anal canal. Coming to the last part. Apply. What is the first thing we talk about in the applied anatomy? First thing, always we talk about in applied anatomy is congenital anomaly. What is the congenital anomaly? Imperforate anus. Imperforate anus. Imperforate anus मतलब क्या होता है? There is a anal membrane which disappears, and then sometimes what happens? Anal canal we said develop from ectoderm, right? Ectoderm, and coming from the endoderm, hindgut is what is this line? Pectinate line. What is this? Hindgut. Endoderm. What is this? Ectoderm. Even if they don't meet, they tend to meet. Imperforate means various degrees. Various types. Nothing here. So बच्चा जन्म होने के बाद स्वीट्स नहीं खाते. Then he passes stool. There is no imperforate anus. Passes urine. Eating nicely. Because starting from this thing, thorax we learned, right? This is trachea, this is esophagus. Top. Trachea, esophagus. उसको दूध पिलाया दूध पिला milk is going to the tongue. So बच्चे को दूध पिया, अच्छा ठीक है, दूध पिया सब ठीक, then the food should come out from here, then you can distribute sweet. तो बच्चे को पढ़ाई हो, बच्चा हो गया नहीं, पढ़ाई हो लेकिन रुको, उसको पास करने दो, you know. Then it's very easy. तो इसके लिए pediatric surgeons उसके लिए बैठे रहते हैं, राह देखते रहते कब आएगा, कब आएगा incorporated venous. So they just unite it, they pull the rectum down. Therefore, this special branch of pediatric surgery. 2 investigations on the anal canal, same as rectum. For rectal examination, proctoscopy is done for checking the anal canal. Medical issues, mainly surgical issues. 3: piles, fissure, and fistula. For how I have piles and fissure, I have explained to you. Fistula is when this gets infected and then opens here, and then a passage is formed. Fistula. This is fistula. Okay? And the last is anal cancer. That from beginning I have been speaking about this anal cancer. Okay? Chronic inflammation. This is a place where stool passes. So every day hard stool is passing, non-fibrous bag. So those people, how do you identify them? They typically, after coming out of the toilet, they will not be able to sit. Toilet के बाहर आते बैठो नहीं okay. Piles. Now I'll talk. This is ending my session. People susceptible for anal varicosity, people susceptible for varicose veins of the legs. Bus conductor. Restorative tickets. Susceptible for varicose veins of the leg. Bus driver. Susceptible for anal varicosities. Constantly sitting pressure. Of course, if he is taking fibrous diet, no issues. Surgeon operating. Susceptible for varicose veins of the leg. Anesthetist sitting on the Anesthetics. Which varicosity? Anal varicosity. Teacher standing and teaching you for our students. Susceptible for varicosity. Students sitting for 3-4 hours. Anal varicosity. Wife cooking in the kitchen. Varicose veins of the husband reading newspaper sitting in the hall, susceptible for. So get up. Sir has already come. Get up and prevent anal varicosities.